What made me choose the course at the University of Leeds was mainly the facilities that they had here. Just seeing like the edit suites and all the journalist kits definitely was a factor for me coming here.
The course is BJTC accredited, so I knew that that stands out in the industry. So that really drew me to want to study journalism at Leeds.
It's actually helped me to develop critical thinking about the theories, about anything, whatever I see, whatever I hear.
The lecturers here have a really good reputation. They have worked in the industry, so that when I came, I was like, that really enticed me to choose this course because I knew I'd be getting taught by industry professionals.
And a lot of them are like world-renowned people who have published a lot of their own stuff. So it's kind of cool when another professor assigns us something that, we can just walk down the hall and talk to someone about who's actually written it.
Most of them have worked or are still working for big broadcasters such as the BBC. If I'm learning from someone who knows the industry well, that is fantastic.
We've got the radio studio and the TV studio, which we use them every week on our live news days.
Whatever you are trying to achieve, we have the equipment here that will help you achieve that.
So the School of Media and Communication put on Careers Days every year where they get industry professionals in, and it's a day of panels, so you get an insight of their work and you get to ask them questions. And don't be shy, talk to people because they are really, really open to talk to you.
I have had some work experience while at the course to a production company in London. Definitely helped me with an understanding of what the industry's like.
I definitely recommend for people to come and study in Leeds. It was easy for me to get around, and wherever I would go to ask questions, I would have the support from anybody.
I definitely recommend Leeds. There's so many different opportunities here, and I definitely recommend someone coming here to study.